Hello friends, I am Ritika Naik. I welcome you all to Elite Studies. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.1. Let's begin. Our question number 8 is 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. We need to get rid of this 1.5. Multiplying both sides by 1.5, we need to multiply 1.6 and 1.5. Five 6 are 30, 5 ones are 5, 6 and 8, 1 16 are 16, 0 4 2. There are 2 places of decimal, that's why we will apply it here. We get 1.6 into 1.5 is equal to y, or we got the value of multiplying 1.6 and 1.5 as 2.4. 2.4 is equal to y. It is convenient to have y in our LHS. Therefore, or y is equal to 2.4. We got the value of y to be 2.4. Let's proceed to our question number 9. Our question number 9 is 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. First, we need to get rid of this 9. Transposing (9) to RHS, we get 7x is equal to 16 plus 9, or 7x is equal to 25. Now we need to get rid of this 7. Dividing both sides by 7, we get x is equal to 25 by 7. We got the value of x to be 25 by 7. I hope it's clear. Let's proceed to our next question. Now we will do question number 10. Our question number 10 is 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. First we need to get rid of this 8. Transposing 8 to RHS, we get 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. The sign have changed because 8 was brought from the LHS to the RHS, or 14y is equal to 21. Dividing both sides by 14. We will now divide both the sides by 14 to get rid of this 14. We get y is equal to 21 by 14. We can very well see that 21 by 14 can be brought to the simplest form, or y is equal to 7 2s are 40, 7 3s are 21, or y is equal to 3 by 2. We got the value of y to be 3 by 2. Our next question is 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. First we need to get rid of this 17. Transposing 17 to RHS, we get 6p is equal to 9 minus 17, or 6p is equal to minus 8. Now we need to get rid of this 6 to have only p in our LHS. Dividing both sides by 6, we get p is equal to minus 8 by 6. We can now also very well see that minus 8 by 6 can be brought to the simplest form, or p is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. But yeah, don't forget to write this minus sign. That is, p is equal to minus 4 by 3. We got the value of p to be minus 4 by 3. I hope these two questions are also clear. Let's go to our last question, that is question number 12. Now we will do the last question of this exercise, that is question number 12. The question is x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. First of all, we need to get rid of this 1. Transposing 1 to RHS, we get x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. The sign has changed from plus to minus. Or x by 3 is equal to the LCM, we have to take the LCM of 15 and 1. That is, the LCM will be 15. 15 1s are 15, 1 7s are 7, minus 1 15s are 15, 15 1s are 15. Or x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. We got the value of x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. But we don't want the value of x by 3. We only need the value of x. That's why we will multiply 3 on both the sides to get rid of 3. Multiplying 3 on both the sides. We get this 3 and the 3 will be get cancelled off. X is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3. Now we will simplify it. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Or x is equal to minus 8 by 5. we got the value of x to be minus 8 by 5. This was our last question of exercise 2.1. I hope I have made this question clear to all my dear friends. Friends, that's all for today. In the next class, we will discuss word problems of exercise 2.2. Till then, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.